Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide your phone number on the Signal app using the built-in privacy settings. This feature is perfect if you want to use Signal without revealing your number to others. Let's get started. First, open the Signal app on your phone. Next, tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings from the menu. Inside the Settings menu, tap on Privacy. Scroll down and select Phone Number. Here you'll find two important options. Who can see my number? Who can find me by my number? Tap on Who can see my number and choose Nobody. This prevents other Signal users from viewing your phone number. Then tap Who can find me by my number and also select Nobody. This stops others from finding your account by searching your number. That's it. You've now hidden your number on Signal and set up a safer way to connect with others. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.